Hello guys, my name is Pav Yadav and welcome to my channel. My channel name is Digital Marketing Lab. So today I'm going to show you the one website. The website name is imdb.com. So this is actually I'm going to create a profile where we can grab a profile backlink. Profile do follow backlink. Okay. So the this is our website. So where actually the best website nature is the reviews kind of a website nature. Okay. So I can show you the how much traffic domain rating this website having the around 93 is domain rating, and the traffic is around 535.6 million traffic this website having. Okay, and the now I can show you the which country. So this website having a traffic potential from the Canada, USA, India, and the UK and the Australia. So if you are going to attract the audience from that kind of a countries, so you have to create a profile on a imdb.com. Okay, so now we can start the process how we can do. So first you have to go for the sign up option, sign in option, then you have to choose for the create a new account. So you can choose your brand name, and then you have to create your profile on a very easy process. This is a very easy process. So now we are successfully received a OTP verification, a verification OTP. So okay, so you have to see this guys, we are successfully created our profile on imdb.com. So once you verified your profile, then you have to click for the your activity or account setting option, then you are redirected for the your account setting. So you have to edit your profile. So we are successfully generated the ID, then we have to update our bio. Okay, so I can copy it from my YouTube description section. So for you you have to generate your bio a fresh content, bio fresh content. Okay, so where we can get backlink. So once you update your bio, so how you can get a backlink from that website. So there are no any option to you can insert your URL, then you can get directly backlink from that website. So we can I have to generate one thing, so you can copy this code. I can also provide in the description section. So you have to copy your URL, targeted URL, then you have to paste it over there. You have to notice that I have pasted after the URL slash option. Okay, so and then after that you can update your brand name. Okay, once you do that things, then you have to paste it over your before your keyword. Okay, so we are pasted over there, then we can go to save now. So you have to see this guys, we are successfully. Okay, so I have made a one mistake. You have to remove your keyword. Okay, because why I have pasted the that link, and the parallelly I have pasted the this keyword. Okay, then I can close the tags. So that's why our profile is successfully created now. Then I can show you in a. So you have to see this, guys. Our profile is created now, and our backlink is this, and I can show you this is a 100% no follow or the do follow backlink. So you have to see this, guys. This is a 100% do follow backlink. Okay. And parallelly you can update also also your other information. Okay, so you have to update your, if you want, then you have to update your personal information for the where you are belong. Okay, and there is any other things, views, contribution. So you have to see this, guys. This is our backlink landing page URL, and the where we are successfully um, live now. Our profile backlink is live now, and you have to see this, guys. This is a 100% do follow backlink. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys, and please subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel. So now I can provide you the that link on a description section on a comment box. And if you want to connect with me on a social media, I can also provide my social channels details on a description section. Okay, guys, if you have anything concern, any suggestion for me, so you have to share your thoughts on a comment section. Okay, guys, bye bye, take care.